Hi, in this video I'm going to show you about our 4x1 KVM Multiview Switcher. So here we have the setup. Basically right now we have 4 laptops. In each laptop we will have an HDMI cable and a USB cable. So right now we will have the setup and 4 laptops. Then the 4 USB cable connect to this 4x1 switcher and a 4 HDMI input and 1 HDMI output to this monitor here. So right now you can see it's actually showing as a multi-viewer, a quad view, and first PC, second PC, third PC, and the fourth PC. And on the multi-viewer, and also right now we have a 1 cable and 1 mouse. So with this one we can manage all the 4 PC without touching them. So basically we can just, right now we can just use the mouse. Then we can manage it, like we're going to control the first. So already control it in the second one. And the third one. Last one. So we just use 1 mouse, 1 keyboard to manage the 4 PCs. We also can use the other hotkey. Like right now we can switch to the only the first PC showing as full screen. So right now we only control the first PC. Can check it out. So I control it. And the second PC. Third PC. And the fourth PC. And also we can just switch to the multi-view. We also can use the hotkey to switch to like a different view. First one, second one. So showing like 2 windows, 2 PC at a time. Then we have a 3 PC. So right now we have 1 large window with 3 small windows. Back to only 1 window. Back to the 4 windows. So basically this is our 4x1 HDMI multiviewer with the KVM function with 1 cable and mouse to manage all the 4 laptops with any touch to them. And also use only 1 monitor to control all the 4 PCs. Okay, thank you.